Welcome to Crash Cam Chronicles. It's a rainy evening, the sun just starting to dip below the horizon, casting a golden glow on the wet road. Visibility is low, but traffic is moving, until suddenly, a silver car makes a careless turn, right into the path of the vehicle with this dash cam. The impact is sudden. And the reaction inside the car? Raw and real. What the F*** is that? A perfect example of how a moment of poor judgment can cause chaos on the road. Asterisk.
We just got into an accident. In Quincy, a car accident in Quincy. I think it's right at the
Elm Street.
Elm Street.
Intersection Elm Street and Hancock Street.
Oh, intersection. Is the intersection between.
For real road moments, hit subscribe, drop a comment, and stay alert. You're watching Crash Cam Chronicles.